Over a year after launching the AF feeder, we're still using the first version in real production, and we found one thing we can improve. In current AF feeder version, we use APS plastic motor gear. To improve this, we have upgraded them to precision CNC aluminum. As you can see, all the metal gears look incredibly sharp, precise and solid. And for our upcoming version, we will completely replace the plastic gears with these aluminum ones. We CNC machine these gears to match the motor shaft for a high precision, perfect fit. The best part is customers with older versions can easily replace them with these aluminum gears themselves. We'll provide these for free to any customer who needs them. Now, I'm going to remove the old gear and mount the new one right into its place. We're going to replace the two gears right here. As for the gear at this position, it's right the cover tab of the component rails, so we will keep it original. Let's take a look. For the motor shaft gear, just align with the motor profile for a perfect fit. And that's it done. This upgrade significantly extends the lifespan of the feeder.